Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad. Firstly, open settings and tap the sign in to your iPhone button. Tap forgot password or don't have an Apple ID, then select create Apple ID. Enter your name and date of birth, then tap continue. Choose a verification method next, which are email or phone. On the next step, enter and verify your email address, then tap continue. Now, all you have to do is create a strong password, verify it, then tap continue. You also need to enter your phone number for verification. Choose a method like text or call, then tap continue. Use the OTP sent to verify your phone number and review and agree to the terms and conditions. And finally, enter your device's passcode to finish the process. Also, you can create an Apple ID through the App Store by following the similar steps previously. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.